Hi, this video is going to be on the context of the Tempest. Now, the Tempest was written in the 17th century and the monarch at this time was King James I. King James I was a patron to Shakespeare, and this is someone who supports another person financially. And this was in part why his plays were so successful and popular at the time. And we can also think about the Tempest in the context of it being one of Shakespeare's final plays that he wrote. So Prospero stepping down from magic could be seen to be mirroring Shakespeare stepping down from playwriting. And we can also consider the social context as well. So if we think about gender roles, we have Miranda and Prospero. So Prospero is a very protective father over Miranda, and this is because Miranda is still a virgin, and in the 17th century you were supposed to protect this until you were married, and Prospero would have seen Miranda as his property at this time until she was married. And it's also important to consider that Shakespeare set the Tempest on an island, and this meant that he could critique ideas in society at the time without being accused of treason. And this would be especially important because King James I believed in the divine right of kings, and this would have meant that if you were to critique the king, you would have been critiquing God's choice. So hopefully you can see how the context of the Tempest is important to its understanding. Thanks for listening.